Johannes Oecolampadius De Gaudio Resurrectionis, Episode 5. Precor ut te his ita oblectes, ne superiori vide antur inferiores, quominus te paeneteat vel meordrum studiordrum agere patronum, quem sine tali in escatione hoctenus et amicae et fideliter egisti, vale ex monasterio sancti Altonis, quinto decimo aprilis, anno millesimo, quingentesimo, vicesimo et primo. Now Oecolampadius is concluding the address, and he says, I pray, precor, that te. Now here is our object. Te is masculine singular and accusative. It refers to the doctor, the addressee, and it's the object of oblectes, which is from oblectara, a first conjugation verb, and here it is second singular, present subjunctive active. Precor is a deponent verb of the first conjugation, precor, precari. So, I pray that you entertain or delight yourself, te oblectes, his, with these. Now, his is going to be masculine, plural, and ablative, and it has a reference to the two essays in the work, the sermonibus, which he mentioned in the previous portion, that you entertain yourself with these essays, ita, in such a way that as a result, I'm taking the ne here as a result, we might expect ut ne for the negative result. Oecolampadius has here just the ne for reasons that aren't clear to me, with the result that inferiores videantur, they, meaning the two essays, do not seem lesser or inferior, superiori, to my previous work. Now this is masculine singular and dative, and it refers to the previous work that Oecolampadius has mentioned, namely the one de laudando in Maria Deo, on praising God in the person of Mary. Then we receive another clause from quominus, which is often written as a single word, through patronum, much less te poeniteat. So this is written like so, poeniteat, or pi niteat. It's another spelling. It's an impersonal verb, and it means to repent. And it takes an accusative object right here, te, and it takes an infinitive, agere. So to repent one of doing something or make one regret, much less that you should regret, te poeniteat, agere, acting like meum patronum, my patron, or meordrum studiordrum patronum, the patron of my studies. So agere is taking patronum as its object. That's why it's masculine, singular, and accusative. And you notice it has this ligature here like so, which is an easy way to abbreviate and therefore save a letter for the typesetter. It's modified by meum in the same gender number case, and then we have meordrum studiordrum in the neuter plural and genitive. That you not regret acting as my patron or the patron of my intellectual pursuits, meorum studiorum. Then we will have quem, a relative clause which goes through egisti, and quem is going to describe or define patronum. I whom, quem, you have treated, egisti, you have treated up to this point, hoctenus, et amicae et fideliter, both in a kind fashion and loyally. You have treated me that way, your patron, and you have done so sine tali in escatione. So tali in escatione, feminine, singular, and ablative. Now I needed to look up this word. I hadn't seen it before. I didn't remember anyway. In escatio, in escationis. It's feminine. It's from the Augustan era, and it means something like satiety, or payback might be a better way to take it, whom you have treated up to this point with both friendliness, amicae, and faithfulness, loyalty, fideliter, without any kind of recompense, sine tali in escatione. Then Oecolampadius says, goodbye, vale, given or written at the monastery of Saint Alton, Sancti Altonis, or Saint Alton. Now, if you're looking down here below, this is not a picture of the monastery of St. Alton. I wasn't able to find it. It's the picture of another monastery near Basel. If any of you know where this is and have a photo of it, please send it to me. It was written on the 15th of April, that is quintodecimo die Aprilis, in the year, anno, millesimo, that's an ordinal number, millesimo, 15 or 1000th, then quingentesimo, 500th, and vicesimo primo, 21st. So April 15, 1521. And he says, Wale, goodbye.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.